pizza, and that's the pyramids. Yeah, it kind of sounds like pizza. And there's pyramids there. I also want to start off by saying buenas tardes, and who can tell me what that means?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. All right. So how about we greet our neighbors by saying buenas tardes, me llamo. Buenas tardes, me llamo. Okay. So we're gonna make our black bean tacos, right? Everyone has had tacos here.
Tacos. People tacos.
Yeah. So we're making black bean tacos. So they're vegetarian. You know how we talked about vegetarian yesterday and vegan? So these don't have meat, so we're gonna use black beans instead, and you'll be surprised of the texture black beans have. All right, so I'm gonna start by passing the tomatoes around, and I want you to chop them, okay? Now, remember what we talked about yesterday? What's the difference between chopping and dicing? You guys remember?
Oh, dicing is when you have small pieces. And
Yes.
I forgot what the other one was called, but it's
Chopping.
Yes.
Yes. Perfect. So dicing is when you have smaller pieces, and chopping is when you have bigger pieces, okay? So we're gonna chop our tomatoes, and you're gonna put them to the side. So get a tomato and pass it around. All right. So who wants to measure out my oil for me and put it in my medium heat? Megan, since you read it, you can choose who you would like to do it. All right. So you're gonna put that inside my pan. All right, all of it. So we have our spices in here, chef, onion and olive oil, chef. Now this is gonna cook for 2 minutes.
Smells good.
Smells so good. It's all the spices. They give it a nice flavor.
I can tell. Me too.
What type of texture do you think our avocados are gonna give our tacos?
Mushy.
Mushy? Oh,
Yeah, not mushy.
there's a better word for it. How about creamy? Creamy. You know how usually you put sour cream on your tacos? Well, this is a lot healthier because we're putting avocado.
Oh yeah, good.
Right? So you're gonna chop it, right? So the same thing you did with our tomatoes, we're doing avocado. You wanna make sure it's not mushy though, right? So you don't wanna dice it, you just wanna chop it so it holds its texture.
Stop. Is this how you do it?
Yeah. Hold it and cut, hold it and see. So once we have our tortilla, I put the black beans on it, then you can start decorating your taco with avocado, with tomato, and
Do we have to
Yes.
put the topping?
at least one of each thing. Okay, I'm gonna start passing out the black beans. Careful, this is a little hot, okay? So you don't blow on it while you eat it.
Yes! Yomo! Give us some extra, please. Wait, can we decorate it?
Yeah, start decorating it. Avocado.
Now can I eat it?
Yeah, you can eat it. Raise your hand if you like it. Yeah?